What's going on, you guys? Today, bringing y'all on this detail. I'm gonna be detailing in my car today. So yeah, let me show y'all. I have to get all this stuff in the back of this trunk. So all this stuff, except that's trash. Don't ever buy one of these. It's kind of a mess, but I got everything packed up. So let's go. Welcome to the channel. This is my first video, really, like first, horizontal video. I did a bunch of shorts before this for like a couple months. But welcome to the channel. I'm going to a maintenance detail right now. I'm in my convertible. You can see there's nothing really here until you look right here, and I have a big old vacuum because I didn't feel like stuffing that in the back seat. But detailing out of the convertible today. So I'm going to the maintenance detail, and when I get there, I guess I'll show y'all the condition of the car. Make sure I need to make sure I'm going the right way first. So this is not this is where the address is bringing me, I guess. I guess I'm detailing one of them things. Should I do a burnout? I made it here, and it's a really nice Porsche. I didn't know it was going to be a Porsche, to be honest. I really didn't. Panamera S. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start with the vacuum. I'll show y'all what we're working with. Not too bad, not too crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the vacuum, and then I'll do, the brush down of everything. And then yeah, we're gonna get it looking real good. So I just finished the vacuum. It came out pretty good. I always do a second vacuum at the very end just to like get everything loose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle front center console, clean the seats, condition them, and then yeah, then we're gonna head to the outside. So yeah, just cleaning this steering wheel. Make sure that it always has a matte finish, because when these cars when any car has a finish that's not anything close to matte, then that means they're dirty. So always got to make sure that these are matte. And if it isn't matte after this pat, like look at this, it's all dirt from just the steering wheel. So if you don't have matte results, redo it. So I just drill brushed this seat. As you can see, it's kind of dry now. So this is a matte look that you want. The matte look versus the shiny look. Matte, shiny. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a before and after on this one, and then I'm gonna go ahead and condition all the seats, and then we're gonna move to the outside. This is how this turned out. Pretty good, pretty good. So yeah, onto these seats. So I just finished the inside. Went ahead and did a whole brush down, windows, steering wheel, conditioned the seats, back seats as well. Go ahead and took care of it. And we're gonna go ahead and move on to the outside. So I'm doing the wheels right now. And make sure when you do your wheels, make sure you get everywhere, all the spokes in and out, because last thing you want is a customer to drive off and then see that some of their spokes are completely dirty and missed. So just make sure you always get every spoke. I'm probably extremely dirty, but I lost track of time a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and start on the outside. I just finished up the wheels. I'm just going around getting the trim pieces, and I'm getting the door, the gas door. Setting that up, and then yeah, just about done. I like to spray degreaser on the wheels before I do anything, and do an all-surface cleaner on the paint. Let me show you. So I have my all-surface cleaner on here, just doing its thing, trying to lift some of that surface dirt up. Just finished the wheels. Now I'm hitting the gas caps, and we're gonna rinse this off, and then we'll get into the foam, and then hand wash. I just finished the hand wash. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. Oh, yeah, I didn't want to do that. Hold on. Just about done. Sorry if this video's been kind of shaky and all over the place. It's kind of difficult recording and detailing at the same time, but I'm putting on PNS bead maker. Oh, he's barking. And I wipe it on with one towel, and then I buff it off with a dry one, and it really gives it a really good shine. We hear you. Really good shine. Almost like a mirror finish. So I'm going to go ahead and do this door. I have this door left, the hood, and the roof. And then I'm going to put on tire sign, and we're all done. Just finished up with the Porsche. I'll throw in some shots afterwards of the full thing, because I don't want to stick around too long and ruin my welcomeness. But it went smooth. You can see, got everything back in the car. I'm about to head home. I got to use the bathroom so bad, but I feel like if I had another one today, I could do it pretty easy. Dang, I need these brakes done. But yeah, so detailing out of the BMW isn't the most convenient thing. I'd love to just have my own van and water tank and all that, because I don't like having to ask people to use their water, but it's the only thing I can really do right now, so gotta work with what I got. Is that a, oh, it is a dog. I'm tripping. But yeah, went smooth. Got paid. She tipped me pretty good, so I'm always appreciative for tips. And yeah, sorry if this video was a little all over the place. This is my first time recording like a detail and like the process, like my first time, not just doing shorts. So I was recording horizontally, doing this and doing the shorts at the same time. So it was a little bit difficult, but it was all right. None too hard. I'm gonna get a GoPro in the future, so that way I can have 2 different types of shots. But yeah, I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. I hope y'all took some advice from it, or some whatever you want to take from it. I hope you could take something from it. Expect a lot more of these. I'm planning on being way more consistent and just documenting, doing details in general and my detailing business journey, because I just started about 2 months ago. So yeah, I also have some stuff in the description for everything that I use if you want to support. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything I use is in the description. My website's in the description. If you'd like to book one of these services and you're in my area, I serve Metro Atlanta, Gwinnett County, Athens. I'm all over the place. So if you want some service and you like how this one turned out, just hit me up, DM me, call me, whatever. And go ahead and check out my Instagram, JPraise Mobile Detailing, for the finished full video of this car. I really just wanted to document the process of it this time. So but if you want to see the full thing, it's on my YouTube. So thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching. If you did watch the whole thing, I appreciate you. And yeah, catch you in the next detail, boy.